attorneys are advocates for their clients. So that's how our American judicial system is set up. It's an adversarial system. I have a duty to represent my client within the ethical guidelines to the best I can. Other side has the same thing, same duties. The judge is there if you go to trial and if you get into disputes along the way to apply the law. So the judge is going to make rulings on a piece of evidence. Is this evidence going to come into trial? Is it relevant? Does it fall within one of our evidentiary rules? Make those types of rulings. The jury's going to decide the facts, and they're going to say who's right, who wins. Okay, if we go to trial and say a simple car wreck case, and one side says you're at fault, the other side says no, it wasn't me, it was you. Mm-hmm. Jury gets to weigh all the evidence, and they get to decide who was at fault, and the jury gets to decide the amount of damages. So were there medical bills? If so, how much? Did the person have time off work? Did the person, was the person in pain? Is it a permanent injury? Is it something that he's going to have to be compensated for years in the future? That's what the jury decides. And then with an added protection in Tennessee, the judge then reviews the verdict and says, yes, this verdict is fair and in compliance with the evidence, or the judge can say, no, the evidence did not support this verdict. I'm throwing the case out, and I'm going to order a new trial. So those are generally kind of the roles of all the parties.